Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I bought recently this 2007 Jetta 2.5 and so far I really like driving this vehicle. It's pretty cool, isn't it? This car is brand new to me, right? So it needs a lot of maintenance, and one of these services should be cabin air filter or pollen filter, right? So let's go together to see in what condition that filter is. And this video will include this entire generation, right, which is here in USA from 2005 to 2010. And that filter housing is located here. In order to get to the housing, we need to remove this cover, and it should be held with two plastic screws where you can use the screwdriver or a coin, right, to undo those. It seems to be, in my case, one of them is missing right here. I brought a screwdriver for this remaining bolt, and let's see if it will go down. Maybe I should just use my fingers for the remaining of it. Screwdriver for some reason didn't really wanna work. Oh, I see. Because it's kind of all stripped and damaged. I continue with pulling down this soft cover, right, as you can see. And look, the housing was actually, unfortunately, not installed correctly, and it was just sitting there. Well, let's see if the filter is missing or it's up there. Here we go, and as expected, this vehicle wasn't getting really good maintenance. I already saw it on engine oil and transmission oil. The same goes with this cabin air filter. But I kind of expected it, right? As I said, I'm doing all kinds of maintenance. This is the clean side, right? And this is the dirty side. So I should definitely go and order new one so I can have a fresh air, clean air in the cabin. Oh, look what I have got. Today I decided to go with Vicks, and this is the number for it. Let's see what is inside. I like it. Way different story, right, than that dirty, bad filter we just pulled out. I love it. That will be way better feeling driving that car. Let's go and put it in. And that's probably the only moment when somebody could question how it will go back, right? If it goes this way or the other way. If I'm correct, this is actually the right way. So, to hold a camcorder and do it, it's always kind of difficult. But, right, there is that opening, and I will start carefully putting it up. How can I get rid of this camcorder and have both hands? I wonder. Maybe will this work for you? Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Having both hands, way better, I gotta tell you. It steals here, this corner. It's a little bit problematic. But at least you can see it live. And when you will do it yourself, you will not think that's something wrong with you, right? So filter is beautifully inside. And now comes the part which that previous people didn't do correctly, right? If you look at it, it opens that you move it this way, right? All these needs to be correctly locked. So I need to start from the right side and then move everything to the left, right? Easy to say, but it should work. I just need to find, oh yeah, the right spot. Of course, this is you are doing it upside down. So here this lever should help. And look, did you hear that click? This is fantastic. This is correctly engaged, and that's as far as it will go. Don't get confused with this white line. This is correct position on it. It's not pinch or anything. This is how it belongs there. This is perfect. Good. The next will be to put this cover back, right, which was right here. It's kind of funky. Not really sure if it does anything when it's such a soft material. I will install that only screw I have, right? There are two of these plastic ones. Hopefully you have both, right? The second one is right here. I hope you enjoyed this video, you will find it helpful, and be subscribed. I have more videos about this Jetta coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.